how to put on cabinet paper. This is a sticky paper in the back. First of all, you got to measure it. We measured 11.5 by 28 3/4, and now we're cutting it, and it should fit perfectly up in this cabinet up here, and then we'll have a nice, awesome bottom. These are things you do during the apocalypse, and she is amazingly awesome, can do it really good. So you got to make sure it fits in there good. And you can see we got a little cord that we have to go around. And then what we're going to do is pull the bottom off and just tape it right in there.
It's kind of a pain to do. It's
this
not
is the
easy.
hard part here.
It ain't easy.
So you got to start with just the very back corner. Make sure it's straight. When she's got that, she's ready to roll. She just pulls it and slides it forward. Gonna do a little adjustment here. Looks good. I'm gonna try to get all the bubbles out.
I don't even care about all of them. Just whoops. And off quite a bit.
You want to make sure you're on your line.
Huh?
Yeah, that's it. And as you can see, she knows exactly what she's doing. That looks good.
Except for my edge. But I will take a blade too.
I can blade the edge. And bam, there we go. Sweet. Excellent. Give me one of these. It's open. Blade is live. Blade is live. And this is where you do your fine tuning. Whatever you do, don't get it in that cord. It will electrocute you. Notice the angle on the blade as she runs it across the side of the counter edge. She's very, very delicately and carefully cutting it. Just kind of sliding it around the edge. And bam, done. See that? That's how you do it. Right there. Perfection. Excellent job. That little depression in the back is where you have the bracket that holds that microwave up on that shelf and wall. So that's why it drops down in there. And we're going to store a bunch of baking items up here. Here's the finished product. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos.